This is week 10, video number 6, and it covers slides 38 to 41. So your resume, if you look at the resume booklet, it probably lists some optional sections that you can include to better promote and market yourself to the employer, to better target your resume. And if you need to, especially if you don't have work experience, I would encourage you to think about some of these sections. So these include things like volunteer experience, especially if you didn't include them in related experience, professional associations, which might be more important in some fields, and awards and certifications and interests. So you might think, well, why do I need to include interests? Well, there's a lot of stress out there in the workplace, and some employers might want to see that you have a way of dealing with stress. So whether it's video gaming, running, whatever it is, it demonstrates that you have a way of making sure you have work-life balance. So you might want to include that if you have a little bit of space in your resume. This slide right here, again, click on the link to thelynda.com. And she talks about the importance of including awards and certifications, again, if you don't have a lot of work experience. So this can be where you build up some evidence that you have the skills and the knowledge required for the job. So through LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, Khan Academy, and you can put those certifications in this section. When you're all done, or you think you're all done, make sure that you've highlighted, showcased some of your high five strengths in your resume. So remember, looking back on the instructions, I'm looking for a circle around at least one or two of your high five strengths. And again, the high five strengths might say that you're a peacekeeper. I don't expect you to use the exact word peacekeeper. It could be things like conflict management skills or used my conflict resolution skills. Okay, so look at all this other information and ask these questions. And then I encourage you to, again, open the PowerPoint and look at these two resumes and see if you can identify lots of problems with them. And then check my answer ones so that you can see what I'm suggesting the person might want to change before submitting it. Okay, and that ends video 5, video 6, I can't even remember what number we're on, for week 10.